This is so early in the morning. I'm going to one of my Filipino friend here in Ipoh to visit her and have a breakfast with her as she is nearly going to Liverpool already.
Green tea. Very nice our view. And who is here? My lovely friend.
Nice to see you and meet you.
Nice to see you too. Ito ang view. Namiss ang isa't isa.
Yeah.
Oh, halo ko na ba? Nasa bahay lang. Minsan ay soft-boiled egg for Olivia's breakfast.
Thank you.
This is your soy sauce and white pepper. Very nice to eat that one.
Yeah. Oh, ha?
I-video kita.
Daddy ko.
Don't want to follow us. You feel so what? He says this is malu.
We ordered here an American breakfast. Their American breakfast is so big in portion. So my husband also ordered one for him with the green tea. And that's our breakfast. Really so nice and so big portion. After we ate our breakfast, we just go down near in the swimming pool area, as there is a swimming pool. By the way, this is in Meru Valley Golf Resort
Good morning,
Club,
everyone.
where my friend is
Come.
staying.
Let's swim. Let's swim. Diba? Andito ako in the swimming pool of Meru Valley Golf Resort. Hello to everyone. Tingnan mo yung asawa ko, nakaupo na doon. Hello. Hello, hello.
Nice place to visit, as this is a place where you can see that there's so many or numerous mountains at the background, as they love nature.
Makita kita sa keep in touch ha. Dito tayo.
Dito
para
sa may
maganda
ano.
yung ano. Go up again. Ano, di kami pauwi na. Hello, Olive. I will miss you.
Yeah, miss you too.
You take care there in Liverpool.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Keep in
Keep in
touch.
touch.
Yeah. Let our friendship blossom
Yes.
as the day
Who
pass
knows?
by. Yeah,
I
who
can come
knows?
back here in 3
Yeah,
years'
and who
time.
knows, we can go there. Okay.
Since my friend is going back for good already in Liverpool, she gave me this token of friendship. She gave me an earring and a box of chocolates. After meeting my friend, when I go back to our home, I saw my big guava. So I opened it up and cut it into small pieces to eat it as I saw it is very ripe already. I pour some prune powder or the sweet and sour prune powder. This is nice to dip some of the sour fruits that I'm eating. This is our breakfast the next day. We ate outside as well in one of the coffee shop there in Menglembu, and my husband ordered a chicken herbal soup with
Very nice.
noodles. Then mine is actually an Indian food. This is a telur or roti telur dipped in a curry sauce. The following day, there is a new open restaurant nearby in our home, and my husband brought me just to eat breakfast there so that we can try the food that they are offering there. And this is our drinks. My husband ordered coffee ice. Looks so cute, their container. And mine is a teh tarik or milk tea. My favorite drinks for breakfast. A hot one. There the prawns. I eat hamin or the prawn meat. Daddy eat the curry there. Daddy show you what. Morning, let's eat breakfast. This is the name of the restaurant that we went. Another day of cooking. Here I'm steaming corn, where I love to eat corn. We just bought this in the market, a fresh one, and now I steamed it. I make here a nice setup of my snacks or merienda time. And one of my merienda or my snack is the corn. Aside from this, I also buy or bought this sticky rice from the market this morning. And I will eat it together with the steamed corn. This glutinous rice got also a side flavor dish called the latik, or how do you call it, the mixed brown sugar with the coconut milk. And this is my setup, a very nice platter of steamed corn together with this glutinous rice with the santan or the coconut sugar. And this is it. You look so pretty. Set up with a background of fruits.